Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off circle to search in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you are looking for circle to search in your phone, so let's see how can you enable that. You must have to open this settings, then go for your display option, tap on it, then scroll down and you will get navigation bar, tap on it, and here you will get circle to search. You can easily disable it or enable it from here. If you have enabled, you must have to keep a long press on your home button and you will get this type Google pop-up. Just circle the area which you want to search with your Google, as I have searched in this one. Just circle the area and you'll get the Google results. So that's how you can easily turn on or off circle to search in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.